Hello, good morning. So, are you all ready for my class? Yes. Okay. So, you must have one notebook or whatever you have used yesterday, the same notebook preferably, or if you are using loose sheets, don't forget to file them. You should not lose them, right? Okay. So, I have given you some homework questions yesterday to solve. Yes, children? So have you all solved? Okay. Shall we okay. So keep your homework questions in front of you. I told you to keep a red pen also with you. Do you have a red pen with you? Oh, okay. Then check with your blue pen, black pen or pencil, whatever you have. Okay. I will call out the answers now. Okay. Right? Okay. Your first question, I think, find the perimeter, area, length and diagonal of a rectangle having, what are the figures? Length is 3.2, breadth is 2.4. Was that the question? Yes? Okay. So, the answer for this, one second, 23, the answer for this, the first answer, that is your find the perimeter. Perimeter is 11.2 meter. All of you have got 11.2. Okay, if you have got, just show thumbs up. If you haven't got it, yeah, circle it. Then we can, maybe there is some calculation error, we can go back. Yes, Afrin, did you get 11.2? Okay, good. Everybody got. Then area is 7.68 meter square. 7.68. Good, very good. Put a tick mark. And the third one, that is diagonal, is 4 meter. Diagonal 4 meter. Everybody got? Siddharth? Everybody got. Okay, good. Then the next question homework was, the perimeter of a rectangle is 51.8. That one? And the length is, one second, which was the question? The perimeter of a rectangle is 51.8. That is the question. Yeah. So the answer for this is, one second, the answer for this is 9.4 meter and area is 155.1 meter square. Okay, everybody got? Very good. Okay, then the next homeworks. Yeah, what happened? Anybody, any problem? Unmute yourself if you have a problem. Okay, pardon? Okay, now all of you mute yourself. The next question is, if it is correct, you show thumbs up, one of you. Okay, the next homework question is, the perimeter of a rectangle is 68 meter. Is that so? Yes? So 60 and its length is 24. So the answer to this question is, this is your fourth question in your textbook. Fourth question. The answer is 10 meter, 240 meter square and 4 meter. 4. Achha, this is the one you are telling? Diagonal as 26. Okay. So this diagonal answer is 4 meter. But how many of you did not get 4 meter? Afrin and okay. So this part I will repeat. Only diagonal did not tally. The others all tallied? Yes. So I'll just show you. I'll share the white screen with you. Those who got just observe. Those who did not get, just observe and then copy it. Can you see the whiteboard? Oh, sorry. Okay, sorry, I have to share the screen first. Sorry. Now can you, everybody can see the whiteboard? Okay. So now this question is, you all got breadth correct, area correct, only diagonal is your problem, right? So question, for example, as I told you, for the diagonal, if suppose A, B, C, D is the rectangle, then AC is the diagonal, right? And the length is given as 24 meter, okay, and the breadth you got as, how much you got breadth? 10 meters, okay. So the now diagonal AC square, okay, diagonal is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, okay. Yes, so AC we don't know, so AC square is equal to AB we know 24 square plus BC we know 10 square, right? So AC square is equal to, what is 24 square? 24 into 24. 4 fours are 16, 4 twos are 8, 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4. So 6, 9 plus 8, 17, 576. Very good. 576 plus 10 square is 100, right? So AC square is equal to 676. Now you have to find out the square root. So for that you have to find the prime factors of 676. Okay. So for so prime factors we have to start with 2. 2 threes are 6. Again 2 threes are 6. 2 eights are 16. Then again 2 ones are 2. 1 remains. 2 6 are 12. Remains. 2 nines are 18. Then this only 13. 13s are 169. Okay. So now from this pair we have to, so the AC square is equal to 2 into 2 into 13 into 13. So from each pair, in order to find AC, in order to find the square root of this, 2 into 2 into 13 into 13. So from each pair you have to take one number. So AC is equal to 2 into 13, that is 26. So what is the answer you all got? So that wait, then answer is either wrong or I have seen wrong. Fourth question, 23A, fourth question. Yeah, sorry, I have seen wrong answer. Correct. This is the correct answer. Sorry. Okay. So everybody followed? Okay. Then the next homework question is the area of a rectangle is 52 meters square, right? Okay. This I remember. I gave this from another textbook, not from your textbook. Yes, I remember. Let me take out the textbook. In your textbook, similar sums only 2 were there. So I gave you from another textbook. 1 second. Give me 2 minutes. This is page 212. Now, homework question, perimeter of rectangle 8 centimeter. That is the one. Yes. So the answer to it is, breadth is 6 centimeter. Okay, area is 40 centimeter square and diagonal is 10 centimeter. Everybody, area is 48 centimeter square. Everybody got? Diagonal is 10 centimeter. Yes, breadth is 6. Breadth is 6 centimeter. Huh? Everybody got this? Okay. Then the next homework question. Afreen, can you read it out? Beginning. Yeah. Yeah. Got it. Okay, got it. 46 meter. That is question 2 of 19B. 19B, question number 2. 8 centimeter. Sorry, 8 meter. Then 120 square. Then 17 meter. Can you hear me? Breadth is 8 meter. Area is 120 meter square. Yes. And diagonal is 17 meter. Everyone got it? Good. Siddharth, what about you? Is it tally? Both the Siddharths? The other Siddharth? Yes, you are. Okay. Good. Okay, then the next homework question. Yeah. Just now which I called out. Next one I haven't told yet. Yeah, which question you want? Don't tell me question 6. Call out the question. Tell me out the question. Area is. Wait. I did not tell the answer still. How will you know? That is from again your textbook. Okay. The area is 52 meter square. Breadth is 6.5. Find the length and perimeter. That is the question? Yes. So that is 7th. Okay. That is 7th question in your textbook only. 23A. Once you get the textbook, it will be very convenient for you. Okay. The answer is 8 meter and 29 meter. 8 meter for this. Okay. Who else did not get? Anybody has a doubt? Okay. Why? Okay. Then I will share again. I'll solve it. Okay. I'll share a whiteboard and I will solve it. Share. Okay. Can you see the whiteboard, all of you? Yes. Okay. Now the question, this homework question, I am doing it. Those who did not get may copy it. Now what is given? Area is given. So area is 52 meter square and breadth is 6.5 meter. Find the length and perimeter. So length is question mark, perimeter is question mark. So I told you what is the formula of area. Area is length into breadth. So length into breadth is given as 52 and out of that breadth is 6.5. So we substituted the value of breadth. So what will be length? Since 6.5 is multiplying here, when it goes that side it will divide. So 52 upon 6.5. So in order to remove the decimal of this, we have to multiply this by 10. So if you multiply this by 10, you have to multiply this also by 10. So this will become 520 and this will become 65. The decimal will go. Okay. So now let us see with 5. Let us cancel with 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 threes are 15. 5 ones are 5. Then bring down 2. 5 does not go in 2. So bring down 0. 5 fours are 20. Okay. Then Yeah, then 13 goes in 104 in how many times? 8 times. 8 threes are 24, 2 8. Okay, 13 ones are 13 eights are. So the length is 8 meter. Okay, that is one answer. Okay, then the other answer they asked us to find is the perimeter. So length is equal to 8 meter is one answer. The other answer is perimeter. Other question. So perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. So perimeter will be 2 into L is, now we got it as 8, and B is given to us as 6.5. So perimeter units are meter. So perimeter is equal to 2 into, this will be 8 plus 6, 14.5. Okay. So the answer will be perimeter is equal to 2 5s are 10, 1 carried over, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9, 2 1s are 2. So 29 meter. Those who did not get, please copy it. I am showing it from the beginning. Okay. This is the beginning. Area is equal to 52 meters square. B is equal to, write down, copy it. Once you finish, then we will go to today's sum. This was the last homework sum, right? Okay, copy this. Those who need to copy, please copy it. Shall I scroll up slowly? Okay. Have you copied till here? Then further, perimeter. Okay. Yeah, you can write. Finished? Okay. Now, today's classwork, put today's date. Okay. Put today's date. Today is what? 10th June 2020. Okay. Now, this is your classwork. Okay. In classwork, the first question. The first question is, okay. Now, since you do not have the textbook, I am writing the question. Once you get the textbook, I will not write the question anymore. Okay. So, this is your, for the time being, this is your question 1 today. But this is actually your question number 8 in your textbook. Okay. So, the sides of a rectangular park, this is a very important type of question. Children, you may write important. Okay. Here ratio is also involved. All have a slight idea of ratio, I hope. So, the sides of a rectangular park are in the ratio 3:2. That means sides means what? Length is to breadth. Okay. Length is to breadth is given as 3:2. The actual lengths and breadths are not given, but the ratio is given. Okay. Then its area. Area is 536 meters square. Okay, children. Then they have told, find cost of fencing. Cost of fencing at the rate of rupees 23.50 per meter. Okay. So usually fencing is done where? Along the boundary, isn't it? Fencing is always done around the boundary. So that means we must know the perimeter, right? Now the ratio of the length and breadth are given. So whenever a ratio is given, that means what? there is some common factor which we have simplified the length and actual values of length and breadth. Okay, so whenever such a ratio is given, we have to start solving. Have you copied down this data? Then I will scroll it up so that you can see the solution. Write down this data. This is the given data. Length is to breadth is 3:2. Area is 1536 meters square. We are asked to find the cost of fencing at the rate of rupees 23.50 per meter. Okay, this is what is asked. Till here you have copied? Okay. So now I am scrolling up to do the solution for you. See, now suppose this is the rectangle. Okay, A, B, C, D. Now the length and breadth are in the ratio 3:2. That means let x be the common factor. Whenever ratio is given, you have to write let x be the common factor. Common factor means with which it is simplified. So if x is the common factor, so actually length will be 3x and breadth will be 2x. Okay, so implies length is equal to y length. First one, length is to breadth. So length stands for 3, b stands for 2. So implies length is equal to 3x and breadth is equal to 2x. Till here, is it clear for everyone? Anybody has a doubt? Please unmute and ask me. Everyone clear? Nobody has a doubt till here. So whenever ratio is given, you must remember that there is some common factor with which it is simplified. Okay. So let that common factor be x. So original length will be 3x, original breadth will be 2x. We don't know the values. But what we know that the area is given to us. And how much is the area given to us? 1536. So our area formula is length into breadth, and that is given as 1536 meters square. So implies L is what according to us 3x and B is 2x. So we have substituted 3x and 2x is equal to 1536 meters square. So 3 2s are implies 3 2s are 6, x into x is x square, that is equal to 1536. Okay. So this implies x square. Are you following? This 6 is multiplying here. When it goes that side, it will divide. Okay. So when you cancel by 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 3 remains 33, 6 5s are 30. Again 3 remains 36, 6 6 are 36. So x square is equal to 256. So implies x is equal to square root of 256. So again, if you don't know that 256 is 16 square, what you can do? You can find out the prime factors. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Again 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8. Again 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Okay. Again 2 16s. Then again 2 8s. Then again 2 4s. Then 2 2s. Then 2 1s. So how many are there? This is one pair. This is one pair. This is one pair. This is one pair. So from each pair 1 1 2 we will take. So implies x is equal to square root of 1 2 3 4 pairs. So okay, this is one pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pairs. So from each pair we will take 1 1. So x is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Okay. So that means 16 is x. Okay. So we got x as 16. Is this clear? So what will be length? Length is our 3x and breadth is 2x. So length will be 3 into x, that is Yes. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yes. Yes. So till here, did you know how to find the square root of 256? We got as x is equal to 16. But what is our length? Length is 3x. So we will substitute. You need not copy right now. First, then I will give you time to copy. Don't worry. First, try to understand how I am doing. Is it clear till here how we did? 3x into 2x is area. This part is clear. So this we got as 6x square is 1536. So from this we got x square as 256. So x is square root of 256. So we found out prime factors of 256, that is this. Then from each pair 1, 1, 2 we have taken. So that is x. So how much did we get? X as 16. So our length will be 3 into x, that is 3 into 16. So 16 3s are 48 meter. And breadth will be, breadth is again 2x. So 2 into x, that is 2 into 16, that is 32 meter. Okay. Till here you want to copy, then we have to find the perimeter, then we have to find the cost of fencing. So till here you people copy first, then I will proceed. All of you copy from here that this is the solution. All of you copy, I will scroll down. Shall I go up? You can copy this prime factorization on the right side in your calculation space. Shall I move up little bit? You are able to copy, all of you? Good. Aban, copying? Hold on, Sid, let others. Okay. Okay. Let the others copy. Has everyone copied this part? X is equal to. Okay. So we got length and breadth, right? So very good, Sid. What did you get, Siddharth? Perimeter is equal to twice 2 into L plus B. That is 2 in. Okay, good. Okay. So P is equal to 2 into 8 plus 2, 10. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 80. So perimeter is equal to 160. Okay. Okay. So this is not all. We have to do the fence of this length. But what are charges of making 1 meter square fence? 23 rupees 50 per meter. So the cost of fencing 160 meter will be into 160. So cost of fencing at the rate of rupees 23.50 per meter will be rupees. You can write RS or you can use the symbol, both are allowed. So 160 into 23.50. Okay, so let us multiply 23.50 into 160. Okay, this 0 I will keep here. 16 zeros are 0, 16 5s are 80, 16 3s are 48, 56, 5 carried over, 16 2s are 32 plus 5, 37. The decimal will come here. So answer is 2760. Okay. Copy it. Also, Is it 3760? I did something mistake. What is this? 16 2s are 32. Yeah, this one will 7. Yes, yes. This is the correct answer. Sorry. Okay. So everybody understood? Okay. So the next question. Okay. Shall we proceed to the next question? Okay. So this is your second question of the classwork. Let us write down the data. What is the question? This is your 9th question in your textbook. When you get the textbook, you can identify the question seeing the. Now, the question says, find the cost of carpet. Carpeting a room means entire area is covered by the carpet. Fencing means the perimeter is along boundary fencing is done. So whenever it is fencing, it must come to your mind that you have to calculate the perimeter. Whenever it is carpeting, tiling, it is done at an entire area. So that time you have to find the area of the rectangle. Okay. So now the question is, find the cost of carpeting a room 12-meter long. So length is 12 meter and breadth and 8-meter broad. So that means breadth 8 meter with a 8-meter broad with a carpet 75 centimeter broad. This is the breadth of the carpet. Breadth of the carpet is 75. Please pay attention. First try to understand, then I will explain. This is also another important type of question. At the rate of rupees 116.50 per meter. Okay. Now, first of all, the room. Please pay attention, then I will give you time to copy, but try to understand. First, there is a rectangular room, okay, whose length is how much? 12 meter. Length is 12 meter and breadth is 8 meter. So first we have to find the area because we have to carpet the entire area. So no problem, fine. Now the area of the carpet also should be equal to the area of the room, right? So the carpet also should be rectangular. So we know the breadth of the carpet. So we must find the length of the carpet because we have to buy the carpet depending upon the length. You must have seen cloth, carpet, they are all rolled on a rod, and if you want 5-meter rod, they will measure 5 meter of carpet, they will measure 5 meter and they will cut it and give. So first we will find the area of the room, okay, area of the floor. So area is equal to length into breadth, that is our length is 12 meter and breadth is 8 meter. So unit is meter square. So now 12 8 are how much? 96 meter square. But the breadth of the carpet is given in centimeter. So in order to find the length, this is the area of the carpet also. Area of carpet also much only because this is the area of the floor. So carpet area also should be 90 square. But we know the breadth of the carpet is 75 centimeter. So we have to find out the length of the carpet. But that is in centimeter. So we have to convert this into centimeter square first. So area of carpet is equal to 96 meter square means what? Meter into meter. So 96 into 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 100. Okay. So this will be 96, 2 zeros from here, 2 zeros from here, centimeter square. Centimeter is centimeter square. Is this clear to everyone? Anybody any doubt till here? Ask me right now. Unmute yourself? Yeah, tell me what is your doubt. See what they told. This is the length of a room and 8 meter is the breadth of the room. So the floor has to be carpeted. So area of the floor must be equal to the area of the carpet. This is clear to you? Yes? Okay. So that is why we found out the area of the floor. So area of the floor is 96 meters square. Till here it is clear? No problem. But the area of the carpet also should be 96 meters square according to the area of the floor. Now the carpet which you want to buy, that also should be rectangular like this to fit into the floor. Okay, so we must know how much long the carpet we must buy. We know the breadth of the carpet is 75 centimeter and we know the area of the carpet is square. So how can we find the length of the carpet? By dividing the area by the breadth of the carpet. Area of the carpet also is this. And the breadth of the carpet is 75 centimeter. So how will we get the length of the carpet? By dividing the area of the carpet by the breadth of the carpet. But we cannot divide 75 centimeter because the breadth is given in centimeter and we have the area in meter square. So that is why we have to convert the meter square into centimeter square. So in order to convert it to centimeter square, 1 meter is 100 centimeter, 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So that means 1 meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeter square. If you don't remember the relationship, you can do it this way. Okay. So now we got the area of the carpet in centimeter square. Is it clear till here? Fun? Okay. So now we know breadth of the carpet. Anybody was asking anything? Okay. Yes. Yes. Hmm. Yes. Yeah. Same. 96 meter square is only equal to 9,60,000 centimeter square. We just converted the area into centimeter square so that we can divide by the breadth of the carpet which is given in centimeter. So we will get the length of the carpet. So L of the carpet will be area upon, isn't it? So area of the carpet is 96,000,000 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 upon breadth, that is 75. Okay. So let us cancel first. Okay, let us cancel first by 5. Those cannot cancel by bigger numbers. So with 5 when you cancel, this will become 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. And this will become 5 ones are 5, 4 will remain 46, 5 nines are 45, then 10, 5 twos are 10, then these 3 zeros. Okay, then again 5 threes are 15, this will become 5 threes are 15, 4 will remain, 5 eights are 40, then 20, 5 fours are 20, then 2 zeros. And with 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 2 will remain 24, 3 eights are 24, 0, 0. Very good. So the length of the carpet 12800 centimeter. But the rate of the carpet is again, but the rate of the carpet is given in meter. So length is equal to 128 meter. Why? Because 100 centimeter make 1 meter. So when you divide this by 100, you will get 128 meters. So this is the length of the carpet. So now cost of the carpet at the rate of, what is the rate given? Find the cost at the rate of 16.50. At the rate of rupees 116.50 per meter. will be rupees 116.50 into 128. Okay. Yeah, you all multiply and tell me the cost. Huh. Okay. Those who haven't done this from the beginning. Now, what about others? Everybody needs, others need it from the beginning. You all have done. 1 second, I can't hear you. Who is this? 1 second, beta. Somebody else was telling something. Which one? Last part. What you did not understand? Length of the carpet you understood? Oh. No, no, I can't make out. What is your question? Repeat again. Hmm. Ah. Ah. Why? Because this is the cost of the carpet per meter. The carpet is sold per meter, they are charging this much. So how much length of the carpet we need? We need the cost of 128 meters carpet. So what will be the cost of 128 meter? Because if 1 meter costs 116.50, then one. Anybody has multiple? Yes, very good. What is it? 14912. What this? Okay, now where from you have to copy? Have copied till where? Till here. Area of the carpet is copied by you all. You have to copy till from where? Is this okay? Everybody copied this part? Okay. Then this part. Then this also copied. Okay. So everybody copied the full thing. Done? Okay. Shall we till what time is my class? Then I have to start physics with you till 11:10. So we are already up with our time, right? Now from 11:20 I have to start physics. Okay. Before I start physics, let me give you some homework questions. Yes, ma'am. Very feeble, ma'am. Okay. I'll give you some homework questions because if you don't practice similar questions, you will forget. Yeah, I found one similar question. Copy this question as homework. This is your homework. Question 1. The length and breadth of a rectangle are in the ratio 5:4. So that means L is to B is 5:4. And its area 80 meters square. Okay. Find cost of fencing at the rate of rupees 75 per meter. We did similar sum. You remember? We have to take the common factor x. So length will be 5x. X. So area will. So find x. then find the actual length, actual breadth, find the perimeter and multiply it with the cost. Okay. Then the next question, homework. This is homework. Then okay, I could not find any similar sums. Okay, for you, you are lucky today. I will make a worksheet and upload more questions. Right now, there are no more questions in your book. Okay, so let us stop here. Do you have a break of 5-10 minutes or can I continue with physics? Okay, you don't have a, yeah. Ah, only one question. Lucky you are, but I will upload the worksheet tomorrow or today, and then you can do more sums as homework. Okay. Pardon? Pardon? I will try to upload today only. If I can't upload today, then definitely by tomorrow I will upload. Okay. It will be worksheet how we upload. Okay. So now